time?
You got 4 minutes. Ooh.
Oh my god. It's okay, we can make it as a contour.
Hey guys, I'm Christina Rodolfo, Senior Beauty Editor of ELLE.com, and this is Beauty Haul. Today we have Christen Dominique, makeup artist turned YouTube sensation and now owner of her own makeup line, Dominique Cosmetics. Christen, you have a $150 budget and only half an hour to shop the entire Sephora Hudson Yards.
Okay, that makes me nervous. I love full coverage. I take 3 hours to get ready, but I think I can do this. Something that's multi-purpose, they'll cut down the time and the cost, so I got this.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Timer starts now. All right, Christen, so what is your first step?
The first step is going to be the eyeshadow palette, and I already know what I'm going to choose because this palette is multi-purpose. It's mine. It's from Dominique Cosmetics right here.
Oh my god.
So I'm going to grab this guy right here.
And how much is that?
$44.
$44.
It has, I can use it for the face too, so this is a good one.
All right.
And now I'm going to grab lips. So
lips.
There is one more Dominique Cosmetics lips. I just have to figure out where they are.
This is a new store too, so I've actually never shopped at this Sephora.
Oh my goodness. If it's not here, we'll just move on.
Well, your time is ticking. Here's more.
Oh my god, perfect.
Oh my gosh.
$18.
Okay.
We'll just grab this. Now I'm gonna grab a blush bronzer palette.
So here we've got Urban Decay, we've got Tarte, we've got Stellar.
Oh, okay, $45. That's a lot. Oh, lashes. Definitely need lashes. I'm a glam girl.
She's a glam
Swanky,
girl.
$10. Perfect. I just need a lash glue. There's a lash glue. Duo, $9.
So you made a smart move.
Yeah.
This is Sephora collection and everything is much cheaper here, so.
We're gonna need eye brushes for sure.
All right, you picked up a $20 brush.
Oh shoot, are you serious?
Yes.
How much money do I have left?
All right, you have $69 left.
Okay.
And you've picked up a little bit of a haul, so are you gonna spend it on brushes or are you gonna move on to?
I have to have brushes for my eyes.
Fingers won't do.
No, fingers won't do.
So you've got 2 brushes,
Yes.
Eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, lashes, and lash glue. And that leaves you at $27 left.
Okay.
And you've got 26 minutes.
I think I can find a face palette.
A face palette.
Under 20, I think.
All right.
Let's try to figure this out.
Let's find it.
How much is this palette? $39. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
All right, it's out.
I think it's impossible.
Unless you want to just use your hands and, you know, put a brush back or something else back.
Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to put a brush back, unfortunately.
I'll take these from you since you're not going to be using them. So I know that this is all luxury brands, so maybe, ooh, you're going to Beauty on the Fly.
Yes, this is going to save my life. I think.
All the tiny size products.
You can get a whole brush set for $20.
Smart, smart.
Yes. I'm gonna take a nude lip liner. This is $6.
Ooh, what about a setting powder?
Setting powder? Oh, that sounds like an interesting idea. That I can focus on the eye, like the whole face.
She can't be swayed.
No,
she can't be swayed.
I'm all about the glam eyes. We can go cheaper on the face.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, you have $43 and 21 minutes left, and you need a face palette?
A face palette.
What makes a good face palette to you?
Something that has a bronzer, blush, highlight, all in one.
All in one?
Yeah, that's under $43.
And you can apply with your hands.
Oh my god, if it has a brush in it, even better.
Okay.
Oh my god, $28. We can bronze and brighten with this, so I think we're gonna do this one.
And it's $28.
$28,
okay.
Not bad. How much do I have now?
You have $15 left.
I'm gonna try to find a brush for the face.
Okay, we're back to the brushes. That clock is ticking, girl.
I know. Oh, there's like CC cream.
It Cosmetics CC cream.
$15. Right on the money.
So that is
this
your
everything?
entire budget.
Oh my gosh.
So you're gonna have to let go of something and get another brush, or just use what you have.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back.
So you're dropping the Sephora contour
Yes.
palette, which means your $28 are back. And now what are you gonna do with that? Little baby Too-Faced?
Yes,
Okay.
a little matte one.
Okay, so you still need a brush. Anything you're finding here?
I think we're gonna go with this one right here. It's only $12.
Oh.
Or, this one. This one's a bigger one.
From Sephora Collection,
Sephora Collection. We'll use that for bronzer and blush.
All right.
I think I could do it with this.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
If you can keep all your products
If
together.
I can keep it all together, I'm ready.
All right, let's go to the station.
Yes, let's
Okay.
go.
All right.
I have to take my jacket off.
She's getting ready.
Let's get glam. Okay, can you help me open these up to make time go faster?
Okay, sure.
Oh my gosh.
What's the fastest you've ever done your makeup in?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm gonna start with the crease. So I'm gonna take Soft and Sweet. Oh, this is a pretty good brush.
The fastest blending I've ever seen.
Fastest blending techniques are happening right now. My hand is like
Your hand is shaking.
shaking.
Do you always do shadow on the bottom?
Always to tie the whole look together. I'm gonna do Cherry Juice just because she's pretty.
Ooh, it's like a little mauve smoky eye.
Yeah. I'm gonna take Honey Dip.
It's smart that you chose your own palette because you know the colors. You
Yep.
know exactly what
I
you're
know
working
what
with
to do.
here.
All right, we're done.
13
Now we're gonna
minute
do the lashes.
Ooh, that's one that I forgot to open.
Duo glue on deck. Oh my god.
That is a giant glob of lash
Oh my god,
glue.
yes, it is. It's really gonna stick to my eyes, so let's be positive. So while that's drying, I'm gonna do my face. Oh, there's sponges, thank god.
So you're using the sponges
I'm
at the
using this-
station.
yes.
And this is the IT Cosmetics.
This is the IT Cosmetics CC cream.
No one yet has attempted to do as full of a face beat as you.
I can really do it. Okay, here we go.
I feel like I have to hold my breath a little bit.
One side down, one to go. I'm gonna take some bronzer.
Ooh.
Oh my god. It's okay, we can make it as a contour.
You have 7 minutes left.
Okay.
Oh, you're calm now.
I'm
You're
good.
calm now.
This is a very nude color.
Liquid lipstick.
Now we need
Okay.
blush. Honestly, I'm scared to use this brush, but we're gonna do
The
it.
same one that you used to contour with.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now I'm gonna do a little bit of a line, so I'm gonna take chocolate mousse. Hide this gap right here. How much time?
You got 4 minutes.
Okay. What is this? Can I use this stuff?
You can use anything at the station. It's
Oh
free.
my god, yes.
So you mix the water with the eyeshadow.
Yep. I'm gonna take blackberry and use it on my lower lashes. Because they need some love too. How many seconds?
55 seconds. And you're going back with a complexion
Yes,
product.
yes.
And your hands. And the free sponges.
We're done.
You had 23 seconds to spare. So amazing job. Full face is done.
Yeah, I amazed myself today, to be honest.
That was crazy impressive. You did it in about 15 minutes, a full face,
Yeah.
completely different from what you walked in. Where would you wear this look?
Grocery store, everywhere.
Grocery store.
Pick up my son from soccer practice, like everywhere.
This is Christen Dominique on Beauty Hall, and make sure you tune in to the next episode on ELLE's YouTube.